This is my view. It's snowing, guys. Chicago. Oh, I'm not happy about this. So as you can see, I am definitely not a cold weather person, let alone any snow. Though I've lived in Chicago pretty much a lifetime, I've always had the desire to live where it's warm though. Now look, that weather disturbed me so badly. As you can see, I already started on this set and didn't realize that I was not recording. So we're just going to take things from here, okay? So I got this burgundy, like a wine color by M Studio, and you can pick that up at Meier's for about $2.99, I believe. So in this set, two of the nails, the thumb and the pinky, are going to take this wine color polish. Then the index finger is going to be with a foil, and then I come out with that chrome, silver chrome polish that you've seen me do in a set before. You'll see. Yeah, a little bit of the polish had splattered from the brush while I was polishing, and I had to clean it up before it dries. Otherwise, it's going to stay in that fabric. Going in on this nail with star glue for the foil. When you utilize this star glue, you have to wait until it becomes totally transparent. I could tell by the touch this foil was going to be easy to work with, and it was. As you see me working it, you'll see around the edges where the foil is lifting itself off because the pattern had already rubbed away from it. I think foils are pretty much everybody's go-to, don't you think? If it's yours, let me know, because it's just such an easy put on, right? And you come up with a really nice pattern. It looks like something very special was done to your nails. Look at that. So this is what happened here, and if this ever happens to you, let me know, because I know it happens to me. In fact, I've even mentioned it in a few other videos. The design that I had in my head was not going to come out. As I got this far along, I knew it was not going to come out the way I wanted it. And then I remembered this silver chrome polish that was sitting on my shelf, and I decided to pull that down. And I love the way this set turned out better than the original vision I pictured. Does that ever happen to you? I'm sure you can tell by the excitement in my voice that I really liked how this turned out. Oh, and by the way, never mind my dry hands and my comfy little PJs, because I'm staying in where it's warm, honey. So I'll be going in with the second coat of the wine. Oh, and as a matter of fact, the name of this color is Don't Whine About It. Cute, right? And this is top coat that I pretty much got from Dollar Tree. I usually go in with a fast drying glue before the top coat is completely dry. It helps to secure whatever you place on the nails. So while I'm doing this, let me just say this to anyone new to the channel today, welcome. I am so glad that you're here. You know, this Bougie Nails on a Budget series is me showcasing to you that you are totally able to achieve beautiful nail sets, lovely nail designs, and even some fun ones on a dime, guys. Right here, I decided to go over the markings left by the glue, so I did a mixture of the wine color with some clear and tried to do like a swirly to imitate the print in the foil. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this, and if you are, remember to hit the like button and leave me a comment so that I know you've been here today. And if you enjoy seeing videos like this and more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and become part of this NailTube family. Also, you want to make certain to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more posts from me, because you are here trying to get nailified, right? For this nail, I'm adding contrast by creating a strip of glossy polish over the matte finish. At the top of this strip, I'm going to place one embellishment just to keep it simple and classy. One thing that did happen while doing this is some of the adhesive spilled out onto the side over onto the matte finish. All you have to do is wait until it completely dries and then carefully polish back over it with matte, and it'll look like nothing ever happened. I really like how this set turned out. I feel like it's classy and elegant all at the same time. It's ready for an evening out at dinner, or even can be worn during 9 to 5 business hours while you're working.